you live in Zone 6B in Western Kentucky, you might be wondering, is it safe to plant my garden? Because we are having beautiful weather right now. Like today, the high is like 74, and you're probably getting antsy to start moving some vegetables outside. The ideal planting date that's supposed to be the safest for our area is March 15th for lettuce. So if you're feeling antsy, I would suggest waiting. Sometimes you can get by with it a little bit earlier if we have just a really warm into our winter and into the spring. But I did hear a prediction that at the end of March, we actually could have a really cold spell. So just be cautious. Try to wait till March 15th before you start moving your plants out if you are here in Western Kentucky. Now, if you're farther south in a different zone, your planting date is going to be earlier than what ours is here. And then if you're farther north, your planting date is going to also be later than ours. So what you need to know is your last expected frost date. Go 4 to 6 weeks prior to that to determine your planting date for your zone. Knowing your last frost date is so important and so helpful for you.